The J.P. Morgan Chase Health Award laureates: Ovadje of EatSet Blood, Order of Affymetrix; Debbie Glencross of the National Health Labs; Andreas Plukthun of the University of Zurich; Perry Rosenthal of the Boston Foundation for Sight.
Technology, conserving safe blood resources. Transfusions save people who might otherwise bleed to death. But in nations with few blood banks and widespread HIV, blood resources may be unavailable or unsafe. Ovadje invented an inexpensive filter system to transfuse lost blood directly back into a patient. The device can be operated electrically or with a manual pump if hospitals do not have electricity. The technology has already helped patients with ectopic pregnancies, internal bleeding from accidents, and aneurysms. Technology, revealing our genes at work. Understanding diseases, even comprehending basic biological processes, requires the study of thousands of genes. Until recently, scientists have been able to monitor only a few genes at a time. To get the bigger picture, Stephen Fodor combined technologies from the semiconductor industry with chemistry to create gene chip microarrays. Microarrays allow researchers to monitor thousands of genes simultaneously. This full genome view promises progress in cancer research and the discovery of new drugs.
Technology improving the treatment of AIDS in developing nations. In sub-Saharan Africa, 30 million people are infected with AIDS. The cost to resource-poor nations is staggering. Even with reduced-cost antiretroviral drugs, the treatment is expensive to monitor. As a result, many receive poor intervention or none at all. Debbie Glencross developed a test which examines white blood cells to measure the progress of AIDS. The technique is fast, can be performed on aged blood samples, and costs 1/4 the price of other methods. The test will make treatment available to millions. Technology, building better antibodies. Your immune system attacks diseases with antibodies, but many antibodies manufactured for medical use are developed in animals, so they're not a perfect fit for humans. Andreas Plukthun is a pioneer in technology to create recombinant antibodies, synthetic antibodies that are engineered to be completely human. They are safer, can be more accurately targeted, and work in lower doses than traditional antibodies. Recombinant antibodies are already being used to treat problems from cancer to cardiovascular disease.
Technology, relieving pain and restoring sight. Each year, millions suffer from unexpected drug reactions, including Stevens-Johnson syndrome, a debilitating disease that can cause painful corneal ulcers and lead to blindness. Perry Rosenthal developed an ingenious new contact lens to help. Combining ideas from several fields, he created a lens that rests on the white tissue of the eye. A raised area made of oxygen-porous plastic and filled with artificial tears protects the cornea. The lens restores vision while allowing the damaged eye to heal.
The J.P. Morgan Chase Health Award laureates: innovators creating a healthier world for